Here's a great deal on a 2018 BMW i3. This four-door, four-passenger sedan still has less than 15,000 miles. Top features include power windows, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated seats, fully automatic headlights, rear wipers, and a split folding rear seat. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing BMW's rigorous certification process. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you